Diane Bolin here, coming to you this week with a very special core workout. I've had more requests for let's work on strengthening the core because all of our movements start in the center of our body, and we have a good strong core, everything else works great. So let's see how to strengthen that. For today's workout, you're going to need either a set of dumbbells, a medium to light to medium weight, or a kettlebell. Your choice, it doesn't matter, whatever you're most comfortable working with. We're going to start out, as always, with a warm-up. So we're going to start with a march, but we're going to add a little core into it. So if you have dumbbells, I want you to hold those dumbbells overhead, engage your core. By that I mean pull your belly button back to your spine. Feel those muscles in through here tightening. And we're going to do a 30-second overhead march to warm up. As you get warmed up, start picking your knees up higher. You can slow the march down. But guess what? In order to pick those knees up higher, you need to engage your core. Okay, we're going to bring it down now. Now that we're nice and warmed up, we're going to go down on the ground and get into our core workout. First movement is a seated twist. If you're new to this movement, start with your heels on the ground, your knees bent, and keep your back flat and straight. Don't slouch. This makes you engage your core. I'm going to use a kettlebell for this, so we're going to go side to side. Now we're doing 10, and by 10 I mean right to left is 1. That's 7. And last one. Laying flat on your back, arms down by your sides. You're going to bring your legs up like this. And then one at a time, tap your heel to the ground. Again, 10 reps here. Right and left is 1. While you're doing this, you're focusing the whole time on pulling your belly button back to your spine. One more. And relax. Now we're going to make this just a little bit more challenging. This time we're going to do a full leg drop. Legs straight. One leg to the ground. Again, keep that back flat on the floor, no space in between your back and the floor. If it's too hard to do that and get your leg to the ground, just take your leg as far down as you can get it without arching your back. One more. And relax. If you want, you can kind of rock your knees up to your chest. Okay, we're going to challenge our core a little more with this one. This is going to be an up and hold. So start by stretching your legs out and your arms out above your head. And then you're going to come up into a pike position. And you're going to hold this for as long as you can, or 30 seconds, whichever comes first. Don't forget to breathe. And down and relax. Now that movement sets us up for our next one, which is reclined bicycle. So for this one, we're going to start with our legs up and our torso up. A lot of people like to put their hands here, and that's fine as long as you don't pull on your neck. If you're inclined to pull on your neck, keep your hands down. Beginners, you're just going to make bicycle movements with your legs. This is going to be a 45-second movement. Now, if you're more advanced, you can add the upper body. And if you need to come down and rest, come down and rest. Come back up. Get back into position. And if it was a little too intense with the arms, just stay with the legs. And if you feel up to it, add the arms back in. And relax. A couple of deep breaths here. Now we've really given our core a good workout. And after you do that, we're working really hard to tighten up in here. So it needs to be stretched out a little bit. So when you complete a workout like that, it's always good to flip around, come down onto your stomach, and then just push up into a gentle cobra. And just a couple deep breaths here. Come down. Relax. And one more stretch. And push back into child's pose. Stretching out those shoulders a little bit. And done. If you repeat this workout at least 3 times a week, you're going to find your core is getting so much stronger, and even everyday things like walking and putting things up on shelves is going to become so much easier. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the button below, hit the bell. That allows me to bring you more content like this that you, my viewers, have requested. And oh, by the way, make sure you put comments below. If there's a video you'd like to see me do, a topic you'd like to see me cover, let me know. I use those comments every week when I'm deciding what content to create. So make sure you drop comments, subscribe, click the bell, and most importantly, see you next week.